Today I'm gonna show you how to build this PVC chair. First, I designed this chair using this free 3D software and downloaded the parts list. I measured all my PVC pipes and carefully cut them. Make sure you're wearing safety gear. Once I had all my parts ready, I cleaned them so the cement could glue each part perfectly. We'll start with the hammock section. Grab your 4 90-degree elbows. Connect 2 of them with your 10-inch long PVC pipes, followed by another 90-degree elbow and then to the 13-inch long pipes and finally to the 21-inch long PVC pipe. You can double check that it's straight with a square. It should look something like this. Now we'll put the armrests together. We'll need 21-inch long PVC pipes, 1-inch T's and 1-inch 90-degree elbows. Connect the T to the PVC pipe and then to the 90-degree elbow. We will now put together the section of the seat. This will be the support for the cushions. You'll need to connect a cross lip with a 21-inch long PVC pipe and then another 90-degree elbow. The cross lip and the elbow will each connect to a small 7-inch long pipe. You'll do this twice. Now affix the armrests on each side and it should look like this. Remember that the PVC cement dries quickly, so make sure the parts are well aligned. Now let's go with the leg of the chair. We'll need T's, 90-degree elbows and PVC pipes. Grab the T and connect it to a 3-inch long PVC pipe and then an elbow. On the side, connect a 7-inch and 13-inch long pipe. Add the 90-degree elbows on the side and do this twice. The base should look like this. Place a 13-inch long PVC pipe on each elbow and put this aside. Finally, we will create the top bar section of the chair's back. Let's put everything together. The section of the armrest goes on top of the seat section. Carefully glue this together. Then place the hammock into it. As you can see, the structure is very sturdy. Let's give it the final touch. Sand the PVC pipes to make them smooth. This helps with better adherence of primer and quick dry paint. Add the primer evenly and then paint in your favorite color. This is how it looks once you add the fabric to the hammock and the seat cushions. Mission accomplished! Did you enjoy the process? Find the 3D design of this PVC chair here.